Hey everyone, so welcome to our first meeting. So just before we start, we're gonna go over the Zoom features for our meetings. So a lot of things are gonna be communicated through our reactions, which will just be used by you to let us know like how you're doing. So to access these reactions, if you're on a computer, you can just go to the bottom menu bar and you'll see a participants button. And if you click that, you should see all these reactions pop up. And so the main ones you'll be using is the raise hand one and yes or no. So you'll be using the raise hand reaction when you need help. And you'll be using yes or no when we assigned you an exercise, and you'll be saying yes if you finish the exercise and no if you're unable to finish it. If you need help, like we said before, you can raise up your hand and then we'll call you, and then you can turn on your mic and ask. You're also free to ask in just the general chat. So if you right beside participants, you should see a featured chat, which you can also click, and that will pop up into a new window like this one. And so um, if you just right when you open it up, it'll just be everyone. So you'll be typing a message to everyone, which is the optimal one. So the co-host will be able to see your message and then respond to it. That applies to everyone. However, if you have a question that only applies to like more of a personal thing just to yourself, or you feel uncomfortable with asking anyone else, then you can just click this everyone icon, and a list of people in that breakout room would pop up, and then you'd click one of the co-hosts and ask them privately. And so this is pretty self-explanatory, but we'll be giving you the option to choose your breakout rooms. So you'll be able to switch between either one. And once I finish this presentation, I'll be opening the breakout rooms, and then you can just join whatever one you want. So once I open the breakout rooms, you'll see either the option for Intro to Python or CP, and you can join whichever one that you picked during the sign up Google Forms. However, within the breakout rooms, you'll also be able to change breakout rooms. And in case like you accidentally selected the wrong one, you'll be able to switch. And we'll also be doing this help/showroom. So it's just in the main meeting room we're in right now. And in this meeting room, you'll be able to either chill or get help. So if you, for example, need help with like a CS project at school, or just a side project that is not related to school, but something you've been working on and want to show us and get feedback, that's cool too. And also just help with any other CP related thing. I mean, not CP, but like programming related thing that isn't covered in our lessons right now. And it's also a place to chill where, like, for example, if you already know everything that is going on in the lesson we're teaching today, then you could just not join that meeting and just hang out, talk to the execs if you need anything you need help with, or want to help others. And to join this room, when we open the breakout rooms, just don't join any of them and just stay here. Or if you're currently in a breakout room, you'll have the option to click leave room. And once you do, you'll see an option to either leave meeting or leave breakout room, and you're going to want to click leave the breakout room. And so other than the actual Zoom features, we'll be posting all the recordings of our meetings on our YouTube channel. And you can find the link here. And you can check out our YouTube channel whenever you miss a meeting, or like you forgot something that we covered in a lesson, or you're just busy on Fridays but still want to keep up with our lessons. And also, if you're in a stream right now, but then you realize you want to change later on, you'll still be able to do so because you'll have our YouTube videos to catch up to. And don't worry about having your questions recorded, as we'll be cutting out the parts where students are talking. However, if we think that your questions are really good, then we'll reach out to you personally and have ask for your permission to get it on video. And we'll either be reaching out to you via Discord or your GAPS email. So watch out for that in case you ask a question. And yeah, so that is it for these sort of housekeeping rules and features and things you can look forward to.